Welcome to tutorialsinhand.com. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to reverse a list in Java. So suppose you are given a list as shown over here. It is array list and you need to reverse the elements that are present in the list. That means you have currently a burger, fries, samosa, pasta, beverages, but you need to create a list which will have beverages at index 0, pasta at index 1 and samosa at index 2 and so on. That means you need to reverse the list. So how you can do that? So collections class provides you with number of inbuilt method that helps you to perform several tasks very easily. For example, if you write collections dot and then write reverse, then you will see there is a method, inbuilt method that would reverse any list that you pass as a parameter. So you see reverse the order of the element in a specified list. So the list that you will provide as a parameter, that would be reversed, right? So we are going to reverse this items list that we have created, which is of type array list. So this would reverse the items that are present in the list. So let's have one more comment and write over here reverse the list. So once we reverse the list, we have reversed this list. Let's print the list once again to see whether the elements are reversed or not. So this statement would print the list in the order in which it was provided, and this will print the list in the reverse order. So let's execute this and see whether we get it or not. See, the list as it was provided has been printed from here in the very first line, that is this one, where you see the elements burger, fries, samosa, pasta, beverages are in the order, and then we have reversed the list using collections class. This collections is a class. In interviews you are asked questions like what is the difference between collection and collections. So remember that collections is a class that is present in java.util package and collection is interface. So this is the basic difference between collection and collections, and you are asked these questions in several interviews, so keep this in mind. And collections has a number of different methods, inbuilt methods provided as well. For example, if you check, you can see collections dot and you will see number of methods. Just keep scrolling and you will see you can perform binary search and then checked list, checked map. There are several methods which you can use directly from here, like it can also check if collection dot empty list and collection dot empty map, and in this way there are a lot of methods that helps you in performing several tasks like max, mean and different thing. For example, for now we will just stick to this reverse. So it has reversed our list and we have got the list in the reversed order. Now this is not only the case with array list, you can have linked list as well. Just change this and then press Ctrl Shift O to remove the error that you are getting because you have not imported linked list, and here import is for only array list, so linked list is still showing error. So once you press Ctrl Shift O, this error will be removed and you will have linked list imported and array list will be removed from the import. So now this list is of type linked list and now the elements are in the same order. You can modify the elements if you want, or you can stick to this one only, whatever you wish. Now also a linked list would get reversed as we saw in the case of array list. See here we are reversing the elements of linked list. See it has reversed the element of the linked list as well. So it doesn't matter whether you are providing as a parameter to reverse a linked list or array list. It can be any kind of list and it will just do its task. It will reverse the elements of the list that you have provided to it, and you will get the output as the reversed list. So this is how you can reverse any list using the collections class. Hope you have enjoyed this video tutorial. Please like and subscribe our channel to help us motivate. Thank you.